Hey you guys, I'm back. My chili is done. And ooh, here's my chili here, you guys. So it's all ready to go. I don't want to get it too steamed up. This is my homemade beef chili with the kidney beans in here. Hot. And the tomatoes and everything. So I made chili this morning in my crock pot while I was washing my hair and preparing myself for work tomorrow. So, excuse me. So now I'm doing my coupon deals, and I done put my crock pot now on warm. So here's my chili on deck. I added some Mexican style blended shredded cheese, and here is my oyster crackers. And what I like to do, just for me, like to add a little hot sauce with mine, you guys. It tastes so good. So here's my bowl of chili. And I'm going to get me a spoon. Hold on, you guys. I've got me a little plastic spoon. So, ooh, this chili is hot. It's going to have to cool down for a while. So, yeah, that's my chili. Add the cheese to it. So now, I'm just going to add a little hot sauce. And then my oyster crackers. Here's my hot sauce. Just add a little bit. So I'm going to add my oyster crackers, you guys. Here's my oyster crackers. It smells so good. I added the hot sauce with it and some cheese. So I finna get ready to eat my chili, you guys. And finish watching World News. Add a little bit more cheese. And finish watching World News. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye for now.